Sorry. See?
Is it my little ooh noise
I
that I
don't
make?
know. I feel like a terrible person. I told Sam about it as well, and he was like, "Shut up, it's fine." I was like, "No, it's not."
So instead of coming to a complete stop with your foot pedal all the way down, there is a way to kind of like brake less harshly.
Yeah.
And it's basically, please, I need this information. It is just to apply a little bit of brake. So if we just give gas at the moment, let's hope that we get to a situation where we need to stop. Looks like we might do in a minute. It is you apply the brake, but then instead of waiting until the car has come to a complete and utter stop, you release the brake ever so slightly and then press down again. So it's brake up, brake. So give it a go now. Go down on your clutch, and you're going to slow the car down, and then off the brake, and then back down on the brake again.
Oh, that was lovely.
So smooth.